session, and we are going
And
to.
also last night, for my friend, I checked, I analyzed Bitcoin market price in daily candles and 1 hour, 4 hour like that, and my prediction were okay. I mean,
Yeah,
more, yeah, before the class, when I checked, all of them worked, and I replied them for my friend.
yeah, yes,
It was
because
very good.
these what concepts I am giving you, these are the universal concepts. It means it's working on the 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, 10 minute time frame, 15 minutes, and also 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour. All the concepts are working. These concepts, these understanding are the uh, universal concepts. Okay, universal means it's applying everywhere. So these concepts are very important concept. You must study on it because you are still in the learning process. So in the learning process, you must know each and everything. And when you go for the practice, then you apply this concept on the practice and remember in concept. So today our topic is morning star and evening star. Okay. This
Mhm.
morning star and evening star is a reversal pattern. And this pattern we can find everywhere in the middle of the trend and down of the trend and up of the trend and middle of the uptrend. Everywhere in the range market, everywhere we can find this type of pattern. And this type of pattern are appearing after 5-10 minutes common. So these type of patterns, this is a just concept, but you will find most of the time different way of these patterns. This is a just concept of 3 bar pattern. 1 bar is red for the morning star, 1 bar is the weak candle or doji candle. It's not rule that there is a doji must it appear a doji. No, it may be appear here a weak candle, any type of weak candle, any type of bearish weak candle, bullish weak candle. After that, you find a bullish candle. It now clear that this pattern is complete. So in the evenings are same. So I'm giving you some examples about the morning star and evening star. Look at now. There can be a doji, there can be a this type of spinning top.
The
There can
importance
be
is only we need weak candle, huh?
you can find this type of hammer here or pin bar. You can find here a weak bearish candle also. This type of candle also you can find. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
after that you find a green candle. It can be stop here, it can be stop here, it can be stop here. Okay.
So size no matter, only
Size
this.
not matter. Just we understand the concept.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So now this type of morning star, evening star you can find. Also you can find this type of morning star in the market. You can consider this is the morning star.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
So when
nice.
you find two candles, two weak candle and one big candle, this whole is a morning star. Okay. If you find look like that, look like look, and you will find this type of sometime you will find in the confluence area are the very other buyers and sellers do this type of candle. The whole concept is giving us a morning star. Three candles also. This whole concept is the morning star. Okay. So now to understand the key levels in the morning star, what are the key levels and how we can trade? Before trading, we understand the key levels. This two candles are the key levels. The 50% level is the key level. The opening price of the bearish candle is the key level. We find the four key levels in this. And in this sense, here, 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 these are the key levels, okay? In this morning star, this is the key level, okay? In this morning star, this is the key level. In this morning star, this is the key level. This is the key level. Understand?
Yeah.
This morning star, higher wick. There are two wicks. We count only higher wick, okay? And lower wick. If this is the lower wick, okay? Find only lower wicks. These are the key levels.
Okay.
In this sense, this is the key level. This is the key level. So now you can understand about the key levels in the morning star. Okay. So how we trade? When we find the morning star, we must wait for the retracement candle. Okay. We must find the retracement candle. After retracement candle, when retracement candle appears, as we understand, as we studied before all the patterns, that retracement after retracement candle, we take a decision about the market there, it will goes up or it will goes down or what it will happen next. So if you find here stop on this level and reject, the next candlestick will goes up. If you find this candle is going down and stop here, the next candlestick will goes down. Okay. If you find this candle start from here and stop on this key level, the next candlestick will goes up. If you find this candle is breaking this area, a breakout happened, the next candlestick will goes up and down because a new pattern appear, dark cloud cover. Okay.
Yes. Right.
So skip this pattern, follow this pattern. After that, if you find this type of pattern, this is again a bearish engulfing, but if it stop on this key level, the next candlestick will goes up. Understand? Because if this bearish engulfing stop on this key level, the next candlestick will goes up. But that, if you find here, okay, this type of candle, the next candlestick will goes down because this direction, this level, it goes up. Wait, when reject, then goes down. It will goes down because it crossing this thing also. If you find this type of candle with this type of, the next candlestick will goes up.
Hold on.
So now you can understand about this all things. Okay. These are the key levels. These same things, all the same, just all of the key levels.
Yeah.
Understand this? This is everything in the all things are depend on the key levels. Pattern is just for identifying the market message. If you identify the market message, then key levels and breakouts will help you to trade the patterns. All the patterns are said. Now when you understand about the support and resistance level and breakouts level. So how all the patterns are easy. So it
Yes.
means it proves that all the game is in the support and resistance level. All
Yes,
the
everything.
game is in the support, everything is in the support and resistance level and in the breakout. Breakout, where breakout happen? Breakout happen on the support and resistance level.
Yeah.
So breakout get the help from the support and resistance level. These patterns get help from the support and resistance level. Just we have the idea that if we understand each and everything about the support and resistance, we can trade each and every pattern. If we study these patterns or not study these patterns, if we know correct way of support and resistance, how to plot how to recognize the support and resistance level, then we can trade each and every pattern. What the retracement and rejection what shows? The retracement and rejection shows a rejection from the support level or breaking the support level or the candle is closing above the support level or candle is closing below the support level. If touching or not touching, this is all game about the support and resistance level. There is nothing any else thing. So
Yeah.
most of the people they complicated the things. They don't make it easy that everyone can understand these type of market. I don't know what is in their mind that why they don't share their secrets. That's very secret. If you find any secret in this education, there is no secret, just understanding about the right things. If you understand the right thing, you can do each and everything. So how it easy? I guarantee you when you go with any other mentor, he will not teach you this type of morning start, this type of things that when this candle come to the key level, how it can behave, how can it can work, how can it can work. No, just a morning star, one example. A morning star is the reversal sign from the after the morning star, the next candlestick goes up.
Yeah,
But
exactly. It was like this.
yes, but when what the operation when this morning star appeared, if we look inside the morning star, what are operation are appeared in this pattern? The operations are appeared a breaking of the key levels, a breakouts, minor breakouts. These minor breakouts have a big meaning because if we don't care about the minor things, it means we are leaving most of the concept. It means we are decreasing our performance level from these minor things. So if we look into minor things, it means we are increasing our performance. So this is
Yeah.
all very easy. So if you find this type of morning star, the next candlestick will goes down. Maybe the 50% level is here touching and goes up. Maybe it goes down. Sometimes we don't find this retracement candle only just a rejection and goes up. Just the rejection also we can see on the support and resistance level. The next candle will
Mm-hmm.
give us information that okay, if the support level is here and reject from here and it goes and again close on this level opening price. So the next candlestick will go down. This is common. If this candlestick crosses this level, a breakout happens, again next candlestick will come down and touch the key level and goes up. How it's easy, how it's common.
Yeah. Exact same thing.
Yes, same thing. When I teach you each and every pattern, all the patterns are trading in the same way. When I was in the study process, when I was teaching these patterns, that time what I do every time I draw these patterns 50 times, 60 times, 70 times, and then I can remember these patterns, but I fail. When I come into market, I don't trade these patterns. I did not trade it very well. 55% these patterns are working, 45% patterns are not working. So we now have studying these ideas that how we can make it the 80%, 90%. So these support and resistance levels, these breakout levels make a uh, increase the percentage ratio in our performance, that how we can increase our performance with while we trading these patterns. So this is all the concepts. Just follow the patterns with the key levels. These patterns give us information that market is now going to change the direction. The pattern only gave us information that the market is now going to change their direction, because market, when market changes the direction without any sign, without anything, that the market cannot change the direction. Market give us information before changing the direction. So it's
Yeah.
all about when market when moves. So market does not make the irrelevant things look like that. We don't know how market changes the direction. Market before changing the direction, it gave us a clear information that I am going upside down. It giving the
Mm.
information to the sellers, it giving the information to the buyers also. But the buyers, and it's depend upon the buyers and sellers that how they think about the market, how they are know about the market, how their way of thinking, how to trade these patterns, how to trade these market movements. This is all about our way that how we are trading these things. So this is all about. I'm saving this picture, and also this picture I will send you. Okay.
Yeah.
So now the evening is done. So how
Mr.
we
Sam, one
can
question.
same topic, same thing, but I show you something more. Because I slowly giving you some information. Then you can understand each and everything. Okay?
Mr. Sam, one question about this middle key level. Is it like engulfing pattern? I mean, it's moving, but we need to
Yes.
find the.
Every time, if there is no price action in the past, we take the 50% level. If in the ranging market, we don't take the 50% level. So it's on the when we find the when we find a price, there is no price action in the past, we take the 50% level. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I
So
see.
what is this? This is the evening star concept. What I draw on the morning star, this is all the evening same. So in this case, what is here? Look at upper, lower, breakout, goes up, goes down. This candle is right close on this key level. The next one level goes up. This candle
Yeah.
breaking this key level, it will goes up and can down. Maybe a retracement candle, maybe a rejection. And this is the strong evening star. This is a weak evening star. This is
Uh-huh.
too much weak evening star. This is a perfect evening star, but this evening star right close on the support level. This wick shows the support level, because when the price is reject from any key level, price reject from any place, the place that wick point shows that there is a support and resistance. If I say the price is rejected from this upper point, so why? What is the concept? It means there is a support level or resistance level. That's why price is rejecting. So if the
Yeah.
price is rejecting from this level, it means there is a support. It's clear. So the support, the next candle will goes up, because this is a strong bearish candle. But because of the support
Yeah.
level, the price can change the direction. Because buyers and sellers want a reason to change the price. If they
Yeah.
don't find the reason, the price will continuously going down. When the reason is found, the price will change the direction. It will, well, then buyer again come and buyer go the price up. It means, now look at this. Keep in mind this example. If there is no reason of changing the direction, it will go down, 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 down. Here was a reason. There was a support in the past. Okay, or there is a round number. So there is a reason of changing the price direction. So the price is now going up, 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 up. Here was another support and resistance level, maybe. Okay, and when the
Mm-hmm.
price come, it will touch the key level and then reject and goes down, down. There is no key level. There is no concept. The price will goes more down. But there is a one thing more. If you find the momentum is very important in the candlesticks. These momentum also give us a message that in this candle you find the correct momentum, high momentum, strong momentum, and in this candle the momentum is decreasing. This wick shows that the momentum is
Okay.
decreasing. Again, we show the momentum is more decreasing. Again, we saw the momentum is more decreasing. So if there is no any level, and after that we saw this type of momentum, after we saw this type of doji, so it's clear sign. If there is no any support and resistance level, no, don't worry. But the momentum shows that the now market is not empowered to go down. So this is the
To the new
last sign. This
standard.
is the last sign of the buyers that buyers will start from here. In the start, buyers will increasing this type of momentum.
Yeah.
So this is the last sign when the momentum is too much increased. Now the next price will goes down slowly, 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 slowly. So this is all about the momentum. Momentum give us a sign that who is in the control, who is losing the control, who will continue the market, who will change the market. This all momentum give us every and each and every sign about the market. What is momentum? Look at what is momentum. I describe each and everything in this strategy very clearly, but people are still unaware about the things. I don't know why they don't want the hard work. They just want the medicine that I give them medicine. They eat medicine. When they open their eyes, all the things are come in their mind and they do a profitable trades. So it's not easy. Just understand the things. What is momentum? Price action momentum. The momentum, when how we can understand the momentum, how we can know the momentum. Momentum can be known from the price action and the indicators. So the how if we are the price action trader, so how we can know the momentum? Momentum can be known from the candlestick length, candlestick body, candlestick opening and closing price. Okay. After that, these candlestick want to give us a message that this is the body, this is the close, open, low, high. This all the message these candles give us. But we are still unaware about this message that how we don't rely on one candlestick, one message. We want a group of the candlestick, then we can understand the message. So here, what is in this candle? What we show? There is a no rejection. It means a high momentum. There is a rejection. It means a loose momentum, weak momentum. And this candle, look at, this is a weak momentum. This is a strong momentum. Weak momentum is strong momentum. So most of the traders are working or trading on the momentum candles, but they don't want to teach the momentum, how we can follow the momentum, how we can recognize the momentum. Just they are trading, trading, trading. I am not trading in the front of the students. Just I'm giving their concepts, studies. The studies are very important, or the trading are very important. The studies are very important because I want the one thing is inferiority complex. When I place 10 trades consecutive winning, you peoples will become into inferiority complex. That our teacher is doing 10 trades consecutively winning, but we are unable to do like that. Why I am not uh, uh, why I'm here showing this type of trades? Look at $1, $2. But in the secret, I'm doing too much trades. Why I'm placing here $1 trade and sharing here? Because of you people, that you people cannot come into inferiority complex.
Yeah, I
Because
see.
you people understand that, oh yes, our teacher is doing the $2 trade. So why we can not do it $2 trades? Only just 5 to 3, 4 trade I'm sharing here. But when I place my trade with $50, with $100, with $80, with $20, they trades I'm not sharing here because you people will come into this complex that we are unable to do this type of. I don't want to make a fear in your heart, in your mind. Just I'm giving you the uh, uh, stability in your mind that you can grow yourself with small amount and slowly, slowly you will grow your account with big amount. So this
Hmm.
is the thing. So this is the understanding because I know student psychology that how they want education from me. What are the problems in their mind? Other when I saw the course of other people, they don't talk like I am talking with you, that I am giving you other life examples, other life talkings. This life talkings, this gave us a strongness in our learning process. Just if I'm talking about only about the course, don't discussion. So this is a boring thing. So I don't want to make a boring thing. Just uh, 5 to 10 minute lecture, 10-minute discussion, 10-minute practice. So this is our class. Understand? This is the way.
Yeah,
I think this is the way because I learned from my teachers. My teachers treat me like that, and I learned from those teachers.
yeah, this is the right way.
Yes, but because if I play a video and I'm showing you my threads, look at how I'm threading, just like impressing you.
Yeah.
In this impressing thing, you cannot understand, you cannot learn from these things. Now, how things are easy. In 4 to 5 days, you was struggling one year before or 6 months before, but you are unable to understand the market. But in now 4 days, you are able to understand each and every movement. So what I give you, just I give you the simple concepts, simple discussion, simple life examples, simple things, not all the big, but these things, those people understand, they have a value about the teachers. They have a thinking power. They have a decision power. Those people can understand me. Most of the people in this group, they are saying we completed the course, but we are still not profitable because they don't complete my homework. They don't complete, they don't understand my things. They don't follow me. When I say that follow me, they don't follow me. This is the main thing. When you follow me, my rules, not follow my lifestyle, just follow my rules in the trading. This is the way only. So this is all about this thing. So we are talking on this level. So this is the weak momentum. This is the strong momentum. This shows clearly in this slide. Look at how the losing control. When price is going up, from any point the price is losing control and going down. It means a 50%, 40%, 55%, this price is dropped below. It means the losing control. When price goes up and drop, it means the losing control. The price in the bearish candle goes down and losing, and buyers push the price up, it goes up, it means the losing control. So this is the losing control in the momentum. This is the rule of the momentum. When the price is losing the control, the wicks is appearing there. So this is all about this momentum. If we look at this, so how we can understand where the momentum can happen? The momentum can be happen on the support and resistance lines, on the brown numbers, on the confluence levels. What are the confluence levels? The confluence levels when trend line and support line interact with each other. They interact with each other, they're combining each on the same place. This is the confidence price. When price comes to this level, in this level, at a confluence, a momentum can be happen and goes up or goes down. A weak candle can be appear here. This type of weak candle dojis can be appear on the confluence level.
Yes.
So market make up low momentum, losing control on the confidence level, on the support and resistance lines. And how we can understand the decreasing bullish momentum signals, how we can get a signal that momentum is decreasing, momentum is increasing. This is the way how to understand. Look at on the next slide. The momentum is increasing and now here decreasing, again decreasing. Very strong momentum, momentum will start to slow down, momentum, little momentum. So this is the sign that momentum is decreasing. This is the sign that momentum is decreasing. Look at strong momentum, momentum starts to slow down, and momentum, very little momentum. So this is the way, these are the signs to understand the momentum, how momentum is losing, how control is losing in the candles, in the price strongness, in the price power, how power is decreasing. So power, strong, each and everything is a momentum. Momentum, when we study the physics, what the momentum? Momentum is a force.
Yes.
So when you throw anything in the start, momentum is very high. When the thing is far away from you, slowly, slowly the momentum is decreasing. So this is the momentum in the candle in the price also. Same thing. This is the momentum. Here I saw a momentum is decreasing, decreasing. So this is the rule that if from the one candle, if the two candle does not cross the body from this one wick, it means the next price will goes down. The momentum is decreasing here. How this strategy is very easy, but people I don't know why they don't understand. So do you find any this type of PDF on the binary world which explain each and everything look like that? There is no
No,
any.
I didn't.
I did not find also. I just combine all the things in one platform that people can understand and people can get the profits from the market. But I don't know why people doing like that. Look at the momentum is decreasing, decreasing. This is a sign momentum decreasing. The next momentum can up, can come. Next one goes up. And this way, momentum losing. Look at this. Momentum losing in trend and ranging market. Look at each and every point I clear here. This is the trend market. This is the trend market. In the trend market, momentum is here, strong momentum. Decreasing, decreasing, decreasing. Here the control is losing everywhere. The next candlestick goes down. Decreasing momentum, decreasing, decreasing. In this way, the momentum is now, the other side momentum is increasing. In the ranging market, you find this type of momentum. So this is the momentum. Here I make the all trades. These all trades are the momentum. I give the all understanding about the momentum.
And actually, the way I found you was this LMBO strategy.
This is the LMBO. Now today you understand about the LMBO strategy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, I found you with this PDF. It was, I mean, on one of the groups, and
Yes.
I plan it, and then I found you. I mean, I used this. I saw it's very good, explaining everything, and then I found you.
Yes, this is the way of studying, analyzing the market. Market is very simple. If you complicate the market will not give you a way of the understanding. So if you take the market with the simple ways, market will give you all the information. So market is a look like market is the book. So if you start book from the first page and slowly, slowly you are reading all the book, it means now all the concept, all the thing, all the matter in the book you are knowing. Okay, if you uh, open the pages from the middle of the book and you are reading randomly one page, some page from the middle, some page from the starting, some page from the end. So at the end, when I ask you about the book, it means your information is maybe little bit incorrect.
Yeah.
So this is the market is a book. You when you reading market from the basic from the first page till the end page, you will be the master of the market.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, this is the thing. So we was talking on the morning star and evening star. We know the idea about the morning star and evening star. When you find this type of candles, I share with you this type of things also that you can understand when you go in the market. Still, there are more things. If I give you all the things, these 10 days, these 30 days are very, it's not big days. It's a short time. The 10 days is a short time. So
Yeah,
after that, maybe after that, I will make an advanced course for the students who want to learn the advanced course. That I will make the advanced course also. Because in 10 days, just I'm giving you the concept about the basics. These are the basic concepts. So
yeah,
maybe after some time, I will introduce some advanced courses because there is a many thing more. The chart patterns, the chart patterns is very important in the binary option or in the forex market. The entry points, the how to analyze the wicks related to the body. Some other chart patterns: double top, double bottom, triple bottom, and head and shoulder pattern, inverted J hook pattern, J hook pattern. There are many things. So
it's good to learn them. Yeah.
Yeah, but when you, if we study these all things, it means we can pass away from this world, but the information and education cannot be enough. So this education is very. This is the C. Look at the binary and forest education is a C. Okay, so the
Yeah.
C cannot. We can every today still everyone cannot find the next point of the C. That C is ending here. So this is
Yeah,
the
exactly.
education look like that. So in this way, now we are finding some examples about the morning star, evening star. Then I complete this last year. Look at
Yeah, we have. Oh, yeah.
this is the, this. I told you that if you find the three weak candles and it look like that, this is the morning star. Whole this is the morning star. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So just we get a concept. It's not given. It's not any rule that only one candle or three candles are a morning star. So this is whole the morning star. It shows a morning star. So the market is going up. Okay. We find a retracement candle here. It's look like working on the morning star.
Yeah.
1 minute. Okay. This is the so this look working as a morning star. This breaks the area, but now because of this um, bearish momentum, very weak bearish momentum, and we find the bias area here, and maybe this is the 50% level of this candle near to close. The 50% level,
Yeah.
it gets the support and goes up. So just get the idea retracement. If you find the retracement below the bias active, because bias are when you find this rejection from below in the this kind of bias are active here. And the next
Yes.
candle when bias come to this level, maybe the next candle take a start and going down and again reject from this bias area. We can place a call option on the bias area. It will go up, up, up. So this is the example about the morning star. Okay, this is the morning star. Okay, so there was no any key level. That's why next candlestick goes down. Okay, so this is the key level, the next candlestick, and this is the 50% level of this candle. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is the 50% level. This candlestick broke the 50% level, so there is no any key level. The next candlestick goes down, but now this candlestick stops on the key level.
Yeah.
This is the color change key level, and this is the round number also, and there is a support level of the morning star, and it comes in the support area. So this and this range is the support range. Okay, the next candlestick goes up,
Exactly. Yeah, very good.
and the next candle is now making another pattern. So in this pattern,
Yeah.
we must wait for the this is the engulfing, and we may wait for the retracement candle. This retracement candle shows that the engulfing cannot be unfold because this engulfing is right close on the resistance line. Look at this is the resistance line. Okay, so this
Mm-hmm.
engulfing is close on the resistance line. These will show the resistance line. So
Yeah.
resistance line is going down. A pressure. The price open from below. It's a pressure. Now again we find the bearish Harami pattern. Okay, this is the bearish Harami pattern. When you find the bodies between this opening and closing price between this body, it means the bearish Harami pattern. It's going down, down, down. Pull back up
Yeah.
here. Low momentum. Look at the momentum is decreasing. There is a look at what is there. This is the thing that tweezer bottom. Okay, in the
Yeah.
tweezer bottom, the because next candlestick
Yeah.
goes up, but this candlestick now shows a weak momentum because of this downtrend. It's going down, down, down. So this is, and look at a momentum is slow momentum, increasing momentum, too much increasing momentum, the next candlestick goes up. When momentum is increasing too much, the next candlestick will goes up. So it's all what I show you in this PDF. Look at momentum, in, strong, decreasing, decreasing. If we start from here, slow momentum, strong momentum, too much strong momentum. When too much strong momentum, next velocity goes up.
Yeah.
Understand? So this is all about this is 9:30. 9:30. I was too much busy in the session. Sometimes I did not send the recordings also. So people are messaging me that please send me recording.
Like me yesterday.
Yes, 9:53. I don't know which is the recording. I think yes, this is. So this was all about the morning star, evening star. Just look, go in the market, analyze the market because you are going very good, okay, and also going good and doing good, both things. So it's very good when my students working and my student gave me performance. I'm very happy from those students, and when I happy, I give them more things because today this was not topic. This was not topic today, but because of your performance, I
Yeah.
give you. I feel the next. Feel that I give you the momentum concept also. So in the when you are practicing the market, now you are aware about the momentum, how momentum is decreasing, how momentum is increasing. Okay, so this is the thing. That's why I give you. If you perform very well, I will give you more things. If you just stuck on basic things, then how I can give you advanced things? This is the
Yeah, you are right.
yes. This is the process. Now you have to practice this thing. Tomorrow we will again start from another pattern. The last pattern is spinning top. Tomorrow we will understand the spinning top. After that, there are many important topics. But tomorrow is the last topic in the candlesticks, and after that, all the study is depend upon the discussion. So this is the last topic in the spinning top plus gaps. Okay, I will teach you tomorrow. After that, we will talk on the market structure. In the market structure, there are simple things, just talking on the things, talking on the chart, talking on these things, just and after that strategies. So these things is very important. How to know the major and minor levels, how to know the why the concept of color change SNR comes in my mind. I will tell you because people are finding the support and resistance, they don't find the correct support and resistance. When I thought how I can make it easy, most many days I thought about this. Then I thought if I say this is a color change, it means where the color because people's eyes detect the color changing. So when I say color change, it means there is a support resistance. Color change, support resistance. Color change, support resistance. Each and everywhere on the every each and every minute, all the peoples can understand color change area. Color change. It means there is support. Color change, there is a support. So how it's easy.
Yeah.
Before there was a complicated thing. That to understanding the support resistance, the people what say though they only just seeking the higher highs and higher lows.
Yeah.
But when I get the concept about the color change, everyone knowing the color change and they forget the higher high and higher lows. So just finding the color change. This is the concept. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will, we will talk on these topics also. Okay.
Very good. Very good. Thanks a lot.
Okay, brother. Now I'm sending you this recorded video. Practice.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we will again start from another lesson, another topic. Okay.
Yeah. It's okay.
Thank
And I will
you.
send you photos inquiries.